fluffy puffy, like, well, just check out her video. I don't know which one. I don't want to say stuff like that. Can't know. It's private. Check out her videos. Yeah. Did you enjoy the awkward silence? So, yes, in this video we will be talking about my little puppy. He's not really a puppy, but he is an old man. His name is Tito. Look at the camera. You're gonna be a star. You gotta be a star. His name's Tito. We've had him for, let's see, 5 years? Yeah. But he's 9. I've had him since I was 3. But then now he's 9. Which would make him 50-something because doggies count by 9. So he doesn't like a lot of people. He likes me and my friend Mason and my family. He likes people who live here in this house. He likes his favorite dog food. Speaking of that, I'm gonna go get it right now. Hi, yeah. I might have spaced out looking at him. So, this is his favorite dog food. Personally, it smells terrible. There, boy, go on, eat it. So, oh, here, you want it down here? Woo, 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 I moved it. Here, I'll put it right here. I'm moving it all over for him. Yeah. Do you like this? I know it's his favorite. He just doesn't want to eat it because I keep moving it. You want me to set it in there? No. My hands are going to stink now. He just jumped up on it. Look. Really, look at him. He just did that whenever I was trying to scooch up in my little chair. Yeah, look. You just decide to hop on up there. Don't step on the scissors, buddy. Buddy. Let's put this away. I'll get back. Oops. Oh no. Yeah, the stand that I had you, well, not really stand, but the place that I had you leaning on kind of fell. Yeah, got it. All good. So, yeah, oh my God. My chair tipped over. That's another YouTuber that I kind of work with. Buddy, are you okay? So bye, guys. Bye. Yeah, bye. Sorry about that.